that's a tech of your drive times. Be sure to pack the umbrella too, right, Paul?
Yeah, even though you won't need it right now, you may need it if you're heading anywhere around lunchtime. Then by this afternoon, the showers will be spotty, so it's not going to be an all-day rain headed our way. The best news is it's holding off until after the peak of the morning rush. Let's take a look first at the overall weather pattern. Warmer than normal temperatures making their way into the mid-state. The real heart of this warm air mass is going to be off to our west and southwest, but our temperatures are still going to be about 10 to 20 degrees above average today and tomorrow. Now, as that warmer air moves in, it also brings more moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. So on the forewarned live radar, we're seeing some showers now moving into southwestern Middle Tennessee, Decatur County and Hardin County, and West Tennessee picking up a few showers, and a few showers now making their way into Wayne County as well. But the rest of us are starting off dry this morning, maybe a sprinkle or two. The wider perspective shows this is just really the edge of the rain. There's much more down in Alabama and up into West Tennessee as well. So it's all going to lift across the mid-state as we head through this morning into the midday hours, and then we'll get a break from the best shower chances by mid to late afternoon. Outside this morning, a lot of cloud cover, so don't expect to see any sunshine as you're heading out the door. You may run into a little bit of fog, especially to the east of I-65. Just seeing clouds right now from Battleground Academy in Franklin. There is more fog here in Carthage, although visibilities aren't too bad by Carthage's standards. You're our usual foggy spot. It is quite a bit foggier here in Cookeville. This is just a cloud sitting on the ground, so allows some extra time to contend with that and some extra stopping distance as well. But just clouds overhead from Brentwood, our live view there from Woodland Middle School. Let's check on temperatures, and those are all over the place. The warm air is moving in from the southwest, so that's where the temperatures are the warmest. Upper 40s in Parsons and Lawrenceburg, 52 degrees down I-40 in Jackson. We're in the mid-40s in Nashville, Murfreesboro, and Clarksville, but still close to freezing in eastern Middle Tennessee. The warm air is going to move in your direction as well. Everyone's temperatures are going to warm up to the upper 50s by noon. Scattered showers and storms, the best chance is still going to be with us around lunchtime. Then that diminishes as we head into the afternoon. Still mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be breezy though, and the wind will be out of a warm direction out of the south, helping push temperatures up into the low 60s, about a dozen degrees above average. Futurecast shows that batch of rain moving in as we head through the morning into the early afternoon, and then a much spottier pattern to those showers, mid to late afternoon into early evening. And we get a break from the rain chances almost entirely as we head through much of tonight. But by tomorrow morning, we're already going to be watching for the redevelopment of thunderstorms across the mid-state. Early in the morning tomorrow is when the atmosphere is going to be most organized for producing severe weather, but it doesn't look like there's going to be enough energy to get those storms going in the first place. Later in the day, it's when the storms are more likely to develop, but the atmosphere isn't going to be quite as organized at that point. So the timing helps us out, but we're still going to have to watch for some strong to severe storms, the threat for which should be off the Cumberland Plateau by about 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then things settle down. Slight risk of severe weather, that's level 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center. Damaging winds and large hail will be the main threat around here, but slight risk means it's not an off-the-charts threat, just something we'll have to keep an eye on, and we'll keep you posted. Cooler and showery on Wednesday, well, one-day cold snap Thursday into Thursday night, and then we warm back up as we head towards the weekend.
All right, Paul. Well, we are just minutes away.